There's nothing wrong with being a dishwasher while you're going to school. There's a lot of people like there's a lot of students I wish would do something like that.
Exactly. And I I had a lot of people tell me, or they ask me like, yo, why are you washing dishes with all that education? I'm like, because it pays a job. It paid a paycheck and helped me, provide for my family. So I washed dishes up until the point where I started Divine Visions in 2021. Yes, I think it was August of 2020.